Hi friends, welcome to Easy English channel. In today's session, we are going to talk about future perfect continuous tense. This is the last series of tense. In this tense, we will discuss about future activities. So future perfect tense is a tense where we assume some situations. In this session, friends, I would be covering following topics with you: usages, rules, for and since, use, negative structures, yes no questions, WH questions, and at last you will get an exercise which you have to solve on your own. So let's talk about future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense is used for an activity which will start in future, in progress in future, but not finished in future at the time of speaking. Basically, we use future perfect continuous tense to anticipate or assume any situation where you see the physically the situation or the work has not done, but we are assuming it will have been continuing at future point of time. Now look at the example: she will have been teaching since morning from Monday onwards. In this sentence, friends, we are assuming she will have been teaching since morning from Monday onwards. But if we talk about practical situation, the activity has not started yet. It will start at future point of time from morning, and from Monday onwards in the morning. So for these kinds of activities we have to use future perfect continuous tense, where we will assume some situations. Now for and since. For is used to talk about period of time, whereas since is used to talk about starting point of time. For 10 minutes, for 8 months. So we can make structures like this: they will have been waiting for you for 10 minutes, he will have been trying for a job for 8 months. Since tells when action started, like he will have been standing since Monday, she will have been working since Tuesday, or since the next Tuesday. This is how you have to use for and since. For is used to talk about period of time, whereas since is used to talk about an action. Now let's look at the rules, friends. In this tense, friends, you have to use will plus have plus been plus verb with ing. Now you can see the structures: I will have been doing yoga since 1981, or you will have been doing yoga for many days. This is how you have to use structures. So friends, remember, here you have to use will plus have plus been plus verb with ing. So for future perfect continuous tense, this structures has. Now let's talk about negative structures. For negative structures, you have to use will, not, have plus verb, been plus verb with ing. You have to use subject, will not have plus been plus verb with ing. Like, I will not have been sleeping, you will not have been working, they will not have been running, she will not have been teaching. So these kinds of negative structures you can prepare in future perfect. Now questions. Friends, as you know that there are two types of questions: yes no questions and WH questions. Yes no questions talks about the answer in yes or no, whereas WH question talks about the information. Now let's discuss yes no questions. In yes no questions, you have to put your auxiliary verb or helping verb at the front of the sentence to make it in the question form. Like you can see on the screen: will you have been working since Monday? Will she have been assisting you for many years? This is how you can prepare many structures and put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Now let's discuss WH. Now there are some examples. Will I have been studying hard for my exam since next Sunday? Will we have been going to work for 3 weeks? Will Ram have been sleeping at 11 since next Saturday? These are WH questions are used to take out the information for something and someone. Like, what are WH words? WH words which try to figure out some information for someone and something, like what, where, who, why, when, who, how. These kinds of words you can use for WH. Now you can see on the screen, what will you have been doing, what will they have been playing, how will they have been coming, why will they have been shouting. These kinds of structures you have to prepare while preparing WH questions. Remember friends, there is a tip. You should say who will have been playing with you, who will be playing with you will be the correct, will be the wrong structures. So correct structures would be who will have been playing with you. This is how you have to use WH structure. Now WH questions. In WH questions there are some examples. What will you have been doing for 3 days? Which shop will you have been buying since Monday? How long will you have been waiting? These are the examples of WH questions where you are trying to figure out some information about something and someone. Now there is an exercise on the screen. Friends, you have to prepare negative, positive and interrogative structures in this exercise in future perfect progressive tense. That means future perfect continuous tense. I am going to solve you first one for you. Rest of the things you have to do on your own. Like there's an example, I work here for 4 months. You can make this structure like that. I will have been working here for 4 months. This is how you have to solve this exercise. Rest of the examples, friends, you have to solve on your own. I hope friends you have solved the exercises, you have seen the examples. You can prepare more examples on future perfect continuous tense. I hope you have enjoyed this. Thanks for watching friends. Have a nice day. Do subscribe our channel to get more videos on English language, and this is the last series of tense. I hope you will like all the series of tense. Do share the videos with your friends, relatives, and do write on comment section to get latest information on English language. And if you have any demand, you can write down on comment section. We will definitely upload videos on your demand. Thank you very much friends. Have a nice day. Bye bye.